Hi guys, so I'm heading to Home Depot right now. I have Malik over there, and then I have IJ back there. You say hi, IJ. We're just gonna see if we can find some plants for the front door. I don't know if my eye catches anything else, but just kind of wanted to upgrade my garden just to add a few more things to the garden. All right guys, so let's head on over to Home Depot. Okay, so we're finally at the Home Depot. What happened to it? Alright guys, so let's see if we can find some plants. Y'all like these? Y'all like these? I like this one.
All of them are like sticking out.
Yeah, but it's cute. I like this one. Yeah, we're gonna go inside. These kind of look cute.
How about these?
You like those?
How about are you even really
I like this one.
what?
You don't like that one? Mr. Malik, you don't like that one?
Mom, if I were you, I would never
These boys have no taste whatsoever. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't know what's that called, but it's obviously a succulent. They don't take a lot of water.
What are these? Are these like those spiky plants? Like the cactus?
Yeah, kind of. All right, let's come over this section, guys. Okay, this is lavender. I think I want a lavender.
These are like where all the bees go?
The bees?
Yeah, I saw a lot of bees right there.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a lavender. How does this look?
Alright.
Probably like the best one so far.
Oh, look at these.
Oh, here's the sweet mint. I'm gonna plant this one. I like this one.
It's hard to get
Hey
it.
guys, what do you think about a yellow bell pepper?
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah? Said you're
Yeah?
gonna get it.
Yeah. So we'll get a yellow and a green. And you guys gonna plant it, okay?
Yes.
And then you have to help me water. All right. So I like these for the front. What y'all think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sorta.
I like it.
But Mom, once you get over there, it's just awesome.
What you guys think? This one is called a Carnival of Blooms.
How do you even know that?
Pretty, but this is an outside shrub, but I don't have this one. This is really pretty, don't it? Actually, what's the price for that one? Is there a price underneath? You have to pick it up, baby. Like tilt it over a little bit. Underneath the bottom edge. Oh, there's nothing there. It must be free. For guards. Let's go. Alright guys, touch base with you later. Guys, I came home with this and my husband told me that it's too expensive. But it just gonna have to work. Honey, you think I should take this out? It can fit in here. Probably should just let it sit in here for now. Just in case I change my mind, I want to put a different plant. Can we just keep it in there?
It's up to you.
Oh, and I got some green bell peppers. I got some lavender, so I'm going to replant this in that white pot over there. And this is the yellow bell pepper. And then I got some sweet mint. Oh, you remember this? What do you call this in Jamaica?
That's a mint.
A mint mint?
Yeah, that's how I mean, sir.
Oh, guess what I'm gonna mix it up with?
It's a fever grass, fever
Yeah, I'm
grass.
gonna mix it up with
Fever grass is some long.
Yeah, the long strand thing. Okay, so, alright. You know what? I think food would have looked nicer.
I know.
But they only had one though. They had like others like these, but they were like black. Guys, so this is what I chose. I really, really love it. I think it's gorgeous. What's the name of it? Can you hand me that over there? What is it called?
Carnival of Blooms.
Carnival of Blooms, something like that. Yeah, Carnival of Blooms. And then they kind of blend it with this other. I don't know what's the name of this one, but I think it's gorgeous. Alright, so I'm just gonna sit it in here for now. Because you know my mind needs to change. So I'm gonna find something different to put in there. But for now I'm just gonna sit it in there like that. And then this one dead. Dead. And that's what I'm gonna plant the lavender in. I'm gonna get some of this soil. Kind of mix it up. Guys, this is a lot of work. Like for real. But the end products, it's so soothing, it's so calming. When you plant your plants and your vegetables and you see them
Let's go!
come to life and looking all pretty. Thanks, Bootsy. Alright, so that look far enough? Alright, so now I'm gonna smell it. It smells so good. You smell it?
And you have to put it back in there. You have to put.
Yeah.
You know, take it out of the pot.
Yeah, take it out. It smells really good. It's when it blooms. Man, I tell you, that's lavender.
Smell good for true.
Man, it smells like perfume. It's so nice. I'm probably gonna get 2 more. And guys, plants are very expensive, but if you want to go the cheaper way, buy the smaller ones. If you buy the larger ones, you pay arm and a leg for them. Diane, you want to come water this one, baby?
No, I'm not even thinking. Yes! How did you make it?
And like water.
Brian, you gonna water the plant? Angel, you're blocking the camera.
Water around this side, baby.
Daddy, guys, I need a potential for my dad.
Man, it smells so good. right, that's enough, baby. That's enough. Thank you, darling. Okay, this.
What about your apple seeds? Can you go get them? Yeah.
I don't want to make apple seeds.
Get your apple seeds. We're gonna put them in that.
I don't know where they are.
They're on the
The
kitchen counter.
How you put it right there?
This side, go from that side.
Italy?
From that side. Yeah. Jesus, heavy. And there
Is it
you
broken?
have it. It's broken? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably just. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
it broke.
it broke.
I'm gonna put it on some water.
This little piece? And try to catch it? Oh, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna probably put this in some water and try to see if.
Smells good.
Man, amazing. I really love this one. When I bought it, it was so small. And look how big it is now. And then this one over here, I really couldn't tell you the name of this one. I'm gonna have to ask, is it the name of this one? But when it blooms, it blooms like white leaves on that one.
You got the seeds? How many you got? Just one?
No, I got plenty of seeds.
That's,
You got, like, look at the seeds.
what kind of seeds are they?
They're apple seeds.
And you're gonna plant them?
Yeah, but we're gonna make apple seeds.
Alright guys, so guess what? I need your help. I need some suggestions. So I just got through derooting this area. It had a different kind of plant. But I'm kind of like trying to figure what's the best plant to plant at these two spots. So if you have any suggestions, I'm very open to it. So let me know in the comment section below what you think I should plant in these two empty spots. Alright? Thank you guys.